Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zara B, and for sure this is my world. Right, so guys, today is just an introductory video about manufacturing on Alibaba.com. Okay, so before I start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff that you lot have to do because it's just getting a bit tedious reminding you guys, but help a girl grow. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff on top. Right, so I started my manufacturing phase, I think, end of March. Properly with at least 3 manufacturers that I've gotten samples from. When you're doing manufacturing, you've got to know what to ask the manufacturers, what to say to them when they reply, what to answer back to them and stuff like that. You have to understand your things like minimum order quantity, how many units that they do, pieces, PCS, which is pieces, so 100 pieces. Majority of manufacturers of Alibaba.com, they do not do like 20 pieces, 10 pieces and stuff like that. The minimum that you might get, some manufacturers doing it, is 50 pieces, but majority of the time they just do that to sort of lure you in and then try to give you like a, if you do 2 styles for 200 pieces, blah blah blah, we'll give you this discount. But you have to understand that you need at least 1,000 to 1,500 to start manufacturing, because the process with the samples, oh darling, when I tell you, I've been through 3 companies already, 3 samples. The 3rd company I'm still dealing with, but the first one, they didn't even follow the technical pack that I sent them. A tech pack is a guide for a manufacturer to be able to make your product from seam to seam, from whatever to whatever. You giving them your tech pack, literally once they read it and go through it, they will know what fabric you need, what sort of measurements you're looking for to do your style. Next video I'm going to show you guys what the samples look like. Second manufacturer, they were good. They were really good. They made a mistake in the beginning because they literally just saw the picture and thought this is what I wanted, but they included cuffs on the sleeve and cuffs on the hem, so that's not what I wanted. My t-shirt is a lightweight t-shirt, long sleeve, a little bit loose and comfortable, 100% cotton. So with their pricing, they priced their unit price at $24. Yeah, look at me well. Yes, you heard correctly. I said $24. The communication with that was good from the beginning. They sounded like they knew what they were doing. They asked me a lot of questions going back and forth before the final sample, given a confirmation, go ahead, we can go ahead and do that. But unfortunately, I had to send over another £30 to get more fabric because of the hem and the sleeve mistake, because I didn't want a cuff, I just wanted like a flowing. I'm going to show you the examples in the second video, but this is just for me to explain everything. They got more fabric to do a second, so they sent 2 samples, and then I got them to do neck tags for me as well for an extra $70. So with the neck labels, beautiful, perfect, excellent. I'm sure I could have gotten it cheaper elsewhere, but it's fine, it's still good quality. But with their price at $24, it's just like 24 times 100 units, and you're thinking, for China, you might as well go to Portugal or go to South Africa or even go to Turkey. But the issue with Turkey that I'm having is they don't have good payment services. Like PayPal is not even operating in Turkey. So it's like, it just makes me feel a bit, and the first experience that I had wasn't very good with Turkey, so I'm not too sure. I even travelled to Turkey to go and see that manufacturer, and it was all a waste of time. But it's trial and error. Now, with the 3rd manufacturer, I've gone and I've really taken my time out to research and understand who is a good manufacturer on Alibaba.com. Now, with this manufacturer, I think they're going to be the ones to do it, because their feedback, you know, their reviews, stuff like that is all been 10/10. So first of all, they gave me an option to be able to buy blanks from them, since it's sort of the same measurements of the t-shirt that I want to make. So they're going to send me, it should be en route now, a long sleeve t-shirt that they have in their catalogue for me to try on. If I like the fit, then I can tell them to just do the designs and stuff on those products that they have, instead of starting from scratch and doing a whole t-shirt fabric measurements and so on. So I'm gonna wait for that one to come in, and then if I like it, we're gonna use it. If not, we're gonna go back to the tech pack and make it from scratch properly. So with the examples that I have, I'm going to show you all of them, the sizing, I'm going to try them on and show you what I like and what I don't like, and then I'll be able to finalize everything hopefully this week on the third sample. So I'm just going to wait for that, and then I'll make a video and let you guys know exactly how I like it. If I like it. But really, I just want to make my own thing. I want to make my own thing. I don't want blanks more. I want to push my brand away from using the blanks, even though I know that other some high-end clothing brands, like streetwear clothing brands, still use blanks. I'm not going to say who and who, but I've done my research and they use blanks. And they're charging their thing at, you know, 120 for a t-shirt. And I'm thinking, okay, that's a blank, you know. So I want to kind of move away from that and go into more personal pieces, like shirts, a nice flowing satin shirt, you know, some nice cargos. I want to be able to make the clothing that I envisioned, that I want to wear, and, you know, allow people to embrace it as well, because we love God, but we're still street. So we still have to sort of flow it. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much introduction on Alibaba.com. Just to summarize, the most important words you need to understand are your MOQ, minimum order quantity, your BOM, which should be your bill of materials, and your COO, country of origin. Your PCS is pieces, and obviously unit, you would know unit pieces. So if they say they're going to sell you 100 pieces, you would see 100 and then the PCS. If people don't understand, that means pieces. So I would suggest for you to go on Google, understand the keywords and terminology that clothing brand owners use to be able to communicate with manufacturers overseas. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded an actual video of me in front of the camera, but I've been busy for you guys. Do you get me? You can't blame me. I have been busy. When I tell you, like, I want to do things properly this year. So I'm really excited about entering this manufacturing stage and stuff like that. So I'm going to keep you posted. The next video is going to be me trying on the products and let you see exactly what I want and what I don't want. And then we can go from there. But please, again, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe if you like what you see. And share it if you care. You know, let a girl grow. I just want to grow my page and be successful, inshallah. Which means God willing. So guys, thank you. And I will see you in the next video. I don't know why I keep clapping my hands like this. But yeah, it's just something to do when I'm taking video. It's been a long time. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.